हेलो फ्रेंड्स, असम राइफल टेक्निकल एंड ट्रेड्समैन रिक्रूटमेंट 2023 तरफ से बहुत बड़ा वैकेंसी आ चुका है। अप्लाई ऑनलाइन फॉर 161 पोस्ट। नेम ऑफ द पोस्ट असम राइफल टेक्निकल एंड ट्रेड्समैन 2024 ऑनलाइन फॉर्म। पोस्ट डेट 12 अक्टूबर 2023। Latest update 23 October 2023. Total vacancy 161. Application fee for Group B Rs 200, for Group C Rs 100, for SC ST female ex-serviceman nil. Payment mode through SBI. Important dates: starting date for apply online and payment of fee 21 October 2023. Last date to apply online and payment of fee 19th November 2023 up to 2359 hours. Date of exam 18 December 2023. Trade name personal assistant, both male and female. Age limit 18 to 25 years. Qualification intermediate, senior secondary, 10th plus 2. Religious teacher for male candidate only. Year 18 to 30 years. Graduation with Madhyama in Sanskrit or Bhushan in Hindi. Lineman field for male candidate only. 18 to 23 year age, 10th class, ITI electrician trade. Recovery vehicle mechanical for male candidate only, age 18 to 25 years, 10th class, ITI recovery vehicle mechanical or recovery vehicle operator. Bridge or road, both male and female, age 18 to 23 years, metric, diploma, civil engineering. Electrical and mechanical, both male and female, age 18 to 30 years, bachelor degree in electrical, mechanical or civil engineer. Draftsman, both male and female, age 18 to 23 years. Qualification 10th plus 2 diploma. Horticultural assistantship. Plumber for male candidate only, 18 to 23 years, 10th class, ITI plumber. Surveyor, ITI for male candidate only, age 20 to 28 years. Qualification 10th class, ITI surveyor. X-ray assistant for male candidate only, age 18 to 23 years. Qualification 10 plus 2 pass with diploma in radiology. For more details, refer notification. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe for more updates.